Hello IG Garage family. Is your car showing a P0099 trouble code? Are you experiencing rough idling, poor acceleration, or a sudden drop in fuel efficiency? This code points to an intermittent issue with the intake air temperature sensor 2. That means the sensor is sometimes working, sometimes failing, making your engine struggle with wrong air-fuel mixture calculations. Alright, so where exactly is the IAT sensor 2 located? This is super important. In most cars, the IAT sensor 2 is found inside the intake manifold. However, in some models, you might find it near the throttle body or even integrated within the mass airflow or MAF sensor. Now, if your IAT sensor 2 is part of the MAF sensor, you'll typically find the MAF sensor mounted on the air intake duct, right near the air filter box. And let's not forget the wiring harness. The wiring harness runs from the IAT sensor straight to the ECM. It's a good idea to check for any loose connectors, corrosion, or frayed wires here. Oh, and if you're not entirely sure about the exact location, don't sweat it. Just check your service manual or use an OBD-II scanner to help you pinpoint it. Let's walk through how to diagnose and fix the P0099 code. First, grab an OBD-II scanner and check the IAT sensor 2 readings. If you notice the temperature jumping randomly or it's showing something extreme like -40 degrees Fahrenheit or 300 degrees Fahrenheit, well, that's a clear sign the sensor is faulty. Next, inspect the wiring and connectors. Look closely for any loose connections, corrosion, or damaged wires. If needed, you can clean the connector pins and make sure everything is securely connected. If your car has a combined IAT2 and MAF sensor, you'll need to test the MAF sensor. In this case, cleaning or replacing the MAF sensor might just do the trick. Also, check for any air intake leaks. A damaged air intake hose or a clogged air filter could mess with the sensor readings, so don't overlook this step. Finally, once you've addressed the issue, use your OBD-II scanner to reset the P0099 code. After that, take your car out for a test drive to make sure the problem is fully resolved. And that's how you fix the P0099 code. Intake air temperature sensor 2, circuit intermittent. If your car is running rough, struggling with acceleration, or burning through fuel faster than usual, be sure to check your IAT sensor, the wiring, and your intake system. These issues can often be traced back to those areas. For more car repair guides, you might want to check out these videos next. P0070 ambient air temperature sensor circuit malfunction, and P0027 exhaust valve control, solenoid circuit range or performance. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss any of the expert fixes we share here at IG Garage. Thanks for watching and we'll catch you in the next one.